My phone's recording. It's not gonna be that good though. You can't really see it at all. You can see the fireworks.
Yeah, same.
Oh my gosh! Look past. Look at fireworks there. The palm ones.
Either Jumeirah Beach Rosens.
Yeah. Look. It looks like a freaking
It's
palm.
a palm. It's probably the palm.
It seriously sounds like the end of the world.
Do you have your other lens up here?
Yeah, mine.
Yeah.
My smaller one.
Yeah.
Daniel, get off of there.
Whoa! Josh, get a picture of that. The smoke.
Okay, here, Josh. I took the back cap off.
Wow. Like my camera can't capture exactly how.
That's good. Oh, look at that.
Do it. Come on, man.
Sweet.